Are you a family in the UAE looking to bring your trusted nanny along to the USA? Navigating the visa process can seem daunting, but fear not. In this guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about obtaining a USA visa for nannies, from requirements to application steps. The USA offers a specific visa category for domestic employees, accompanying their employers to the United States. The most common visa for nannies is the B1 visa, which is a temporary visa that allows your nanny to accompany you to the US for a specific period of time. This visa is typically valid for up to 6 months, but can be extended in certain circumstances. It allows nannies, housekeepers, and other domestic workers to legally work and reside in the USA while employed by a sponsoring family. At TravNook, our visa consultants offer smooth and hassle-free US visa assistance for your nanny. To apply for a USA nanny visa, certain criteria must be met. Valid passport. The nanny must have a passport that's valid for at least 6 months beyond their intended stay in the USA. Non-immigrant intent. The nanny must demonstrate non-immigrant intent, meaning they have a residence outside the USA that they do not intend to abandon. Employer eligibility. The sponsoring family must be US citizens or lawful permanent residents, intending to employ the nanny for at least 1 year. Employer-employee relationship. There must be a genuine employer-employee relationship between the family and the nanny, indicating that the nanny will work exclusively for the family during their stay in the USA. Compensation. The nanny must receive fair wages and benefits as per US labor laws. Accommodation. The family must provide suitable accommodation and meals for the nanny. No abuse. The nanny should not be subject to abuse or exploitation. Employer's financial ability. The employer must demonstrate the financial ability to pay the nanny's wages and provide for their accommodation and other needs during their stay in the USA. Here's a step-by-step guide to applying for a USA nanny visa. Obtain employer approval. The sponsoring family must file Form I-129, petition for a non-immigrant worker, with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS. Complete DS-160 form. The nanny must fill out the DS-160 non-immigrant visa application online. Schedule a visa interview. After completing the DS-160 form, the nanny must schedule an interview at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate in the UAE. Gather required documents. Documents typically required include a passport, visa application confirmation, employment contract, and proof of relationship with the employer. Attend visa interview. The nanny attends the scheduled visa interview, where they may be asked questions about their employment and intentions in the USA. Await visa decision. Following the interview, the visa application undergoes processing. If approved, the nanny receives their visa. Expert tips to get hassle-free US visa for nannies. 1. Processing time. Visa processing times can vary, so it's essential to apply well in advance of your intended travel date. 2. Visa fees. There are fees associated with the visa application process, including the visa application fee and the USCIS filing fee. 3. Health insurance. It's advisable for the sponsoring family to provide health insurance coverage for the nanny during their stay in the USA. 4. Immigration regulations. Both the employer and the nanny must adhere to U.S. immigration laws and regulations throughout the duration of the nanny's stay. Bringing your nanny from the UAE to the USA is achievable with the right knowledge and preparation. By understanding the visa requirements and following the application process diligently, you can ensure a smooth transition for your nanny to join your family in the United States. So don't let borders stand in the way of your trusted caregiver. Start the visa application process today. Contact us for further travel and visa assistance.